will look into that how to install Node in Mac OS. So we have to install first Homebrew in our system. So I am checking like do I have a brew in my system. So yeah, so I have a brew in my system. If first we have to install Homebrew. So install Homebrew on Mac. Yeah, this. So we have to follow that commands and like this. Yeah. After that you must add the path in your files. If you follow that you will get a Homebrew, and with the help of brew you can install NVM. Brew install NVM. It will take some time. Yeah, so now we have a NVM basically node version manager, which can install a different kind of Node.js in your system. So I am using NVM install 16. You can, yeah, so now you can install no NVM install 18. Sorry, wrong command. NVM install 18. So we can install all versions of Node with the help of NVM. So that's a setup in Mac. Now we will see the setup in Windows also. Yeah, so for Windows you have to download the NVM from here. I will give the link in the description, so you can go and download the NVM setup. So I am downloading that NVM setup exe file. Okay, so it's download it. Let's open and run NVM setup. Yeah. So I have already NVM in my system. So just complete that thing, and will uh, it will also add it to our path automatically. So you don't have to be add any path in our environmental variables or anything. Then I'm opening a terminal. Yeah. So after install the NVM, you can see here NVM. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm getting these responses. It means my system have an NVM. So I'm using NVM install 18. So yeah, version 18 is already installed in my system. That's why it's showing NVM install 22 and something else. NVM. Okay, sorry, wrong command. NVM install 22. Yeah. And my advice for the NVM and Node versions, you should use only LTS version. If you are working on long running project or personal project, it's good practice to use only LTS versions like Node 16, 18, and yeah, 20. Yes. So okay. And if I want to use particular versions here, so I have to like NVM use 18, so it will choose that version and set your system to use Node 18. Yeah, that's how. And if you want to use any other version, so you can choose here. But there is thing, if your system has already Node installed through the Node execution files, so you have to remove all node node setup old node setup from the system. Then after you will install NVM, then through the NVM you will install the node versions. So that's how it will work. Okay, and, or else it will create a conflict between the NVM or your existed node files, node setups. Okay, Yeah, so that's my done. Thank you.